Water Road out of Death Valley, the south exit, basically. Going out to Shoshone, where I'll have to get gas. So here we are at Badwater. Air temperature is about 112, but there's a good wind blowing, so I don't look quite so ridiculous when I'm riding here. Pants, jacket, boots. It's actually not too bad. I'm a little warm, but that's about it. Not hot. This hot wind blowing, probably going to. Those two guys kind of off in the distance, pretty close to National Park Rangers. I think they're just going to go out to this town. Know that. Is actually a little moist. The pools of water.